Is he not doing that? No, 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 Lauren, what are you doing?
What?
Don't do that. That's hot grease. You should be pouring it down the sink.
I always do this.
You should never pour grease down the sink. Do you want to know why? Grease will clog up the sink, which will basically stop anything from draining, which is going to require a plumber to fix.
Uh-oh. Danny.
For any sort of hot grease, you should have a jar or some paper towel to sop it up nearby, and then you can dispose of it in compost or even in the garbage.
Oh, Danny! Danny!
Lauren, don't you know where your water shutoff is? It's gotta be under right here. Jeez, man. It's very important to understand where your water shutoff valves are, just in case you need to turn the water off to any sort of faucet, so that the water can be shut off and you can call in a plumber to come and assist. So Lauren, take care of that, will ya? You're going to want to make sure you know where the main water shutoff is to your house. Most houses have a main water shutoff, and they're usually closest to the road. So this water shutoff valve is located closest to the road, and it controls the entire water to the house. So when I shut it off, so now that I've done that, I'm going to call a licensed plumber, and we're going to get that tap fixed. I call the plumber in. We like to call him the plum minister.
Thank you.
It's very important to know where your water shutoffs are, just in case you need to shut off the water to any sort of faucet, to stop the water so that we can get a plumber to look into what he's doing.
What are you doing? Don't do that! I can see all. There's a wide shot.
It's a wide shot. I was like, how do I get out of that?